Today, I'm here to spill the beans on the laziest way to build wealth. Yep, you heard me right. Building your empire from the comfort of your favorite spot on the couch. Forget the hustle and bustle of the traditional grind. We're all about that lazy wealth-building life. So, how exactly do you make the sweet moolah without breaking a sweat? Not every mortal being can be a workhorse, and half-hearted effort does not give someone a respectable income. Often even hard work does not, if done incorrectly. However, being odious will undoubtedly make you unpopular in the community, but who thinks money makes a man worthless? To live in luxury, all you have to do is earn it. No one would condemn your callousness, and no one on this planet stated laziness was a curse. It may be a blessing if you can generate money from it. Business alligators have been actively discussing numerous ways to earn money through all conceivable means. Here we provide 6 significant potential strategies to make money while being work-shy. With these, your laziness will no longer be an issue. 1. Become a research subject. Allowing others to work on you is one of the simplest and laziest ways to get money out of nothing. Register for medical tests and trials. This will take some paperwork at first. Testify things and even provide your own reviews for me. This is for all ages, and you may even participate in psychological exams. This may appear dangerous, but it is not, because the internet contains all of the necessary information, as well as the experiences of people who have previously participated in such experiments. This is not dreadful by any means, but you need to know every single detail that is originally presented to every worker, and don't neglect to study even the minute phrases written on. This is not a bad thing, but you should be aware of every information that is first offered to each employee, and don't forget to study even the smallest phrases printed on transaction paperwork that must be read and signed. Not only can you conduct project study, but you can also test out numerous incomplete items on your own, such as body lotions and bathing products. It all comes down to personal preference and comfort, as well as the type of research and product you want to pursue. 2. Sleep to make money. Yeah, you heard it right. Sleep can earn you money if you are sleeping for a NASA study. I suppose making money while sleeping is the laziest way to make money. NASA actually paid $18,000 for a sleep study to be completed. Many people may find this unbelievable, but it is the truth, according to business alligators, that you may earn money while sleeping. NASA's Living Your Dream initiative has captivated many individuals with the promise of earning $5,000 per month while sleeping. There are several ways in which your sleep might cause your wallet to grow fat. The research focuses on brain waves and pulse rates. You would be compensated for scientists, doctors, and researchers to observe you sleeping. Participants may even have sleep difficulties, depending on the type of research being conducted. Companies use matrices to appoint people to test and grade their latest product's comfort level. This is accomplished by numerous observations and gadgets that track the heart rate. 3. Become an online teacher. Teaching online offers a convenient and flexible way to share your knowledge and expertise with students worldwide. Whether you're skilled in academic subjects, languages, arts, or specialized skills like coding or cooking, there's a potential audience eager to learn from you. By utilizing video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype, you can conduct live classes or one-on-one tutoring sessions from the comfort of your home. Moreover, creating and selling your own courses adds another dimension to your earning potential. Platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable provide a marketplace for your courses, handling technical aspects like hosting, payment processing, and marketing. This means you can focus on crafting high-quality content while these platforms handle the logistics. With the ability to earn royalties from course sales, your income potential extends far beyond the initial creation phase, allowing you to profit passively over time. 4. Video game tester. For gaming enthusiasts, becoming a video game tester can be a dream job that combines passion with profit. Game development companies rely on beta testers to identify bugs, glitches, and gameplay issues before releasing their products to the public. As a tester, you'll play games in various stages of development, providing feedback to ensure a smooth gaming experience for players worldwide. One of the perks of being a game tester is the ability to work remotely, offering flexibility and convenience. Whether you're testing from your home office or lounging on your couch, you can earn a significant income while indulging in your favorite hobby. With the gaming industry booming and remote work opportunities on the rise, Becoming a professional game tester offers a laid-back yet rewarding career path. 5. Rental property investment. Investing in rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income while building long-term wealth. Once you've acquired a property, you can delegate day-to-day responsibilities to a property management company, freeing up your time for other pursuits. From tenant screening to maintenance and rent collection, these professionals handle the operational aspects of property ownership, leaving you with a steady stream of rental income. Furthermore, rental properties offer the potential for appreciation over time, adding another layer of wealth accumulation to your investment portfolio. As property values increase, so does your net worth, providing financial security for the future. With the right property and management team in place, rental property investment offers a lazy yet lucrative path to financial freedom. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing presents a low-effort, high-reward opportunity to earn passive income through promoting products or services. By joining affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Commission Junction, you can earn commissions for driving sales or leads through your referral links. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity. Once you've placed affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn passive income whenever someone clicks on your links and makes a purchase. With strategic marketing efforts and the right affiliate partnerships, you can generate income while you sleep, making affiliate marketing an ideal lazy way to monetize your online presence. 7. Print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand (POD) services offer a hassle-free way to monetize your creativity by selling custom-designed products online. Whether you're an artist, designer, or creative entrepreneur, platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble allow you to upload your designs and sell them on a variety of items such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. With Pod, you don't need to worry about inventory or upfront costs. Once a customer places an order, the POD company handles printing, shipping, and customer service, leaving you with passive income from each sale. This hands-off approach allows you to focus on creating and promoting your designs while earning money with minimal effort. Plus, with the potential to reach a global audience, POD offers a lazy yet profitable way to monetize your artistic talents. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending platforms provide an alternative investment opportunity that allows you to earn passive income by lending money to individuals or businesses. Platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle facilitate the lending process, connecting borrowers with investors like yourself. With P2P lending, you can build a diversified portfolio of loans, spreading your risk across multiple borrowers to minimize potential losses. The platforms handle borrower verification, loan servicing, and repayment, making it easy for you to earn interest payments on your investment without actively managing individual loans. Additionally, P2P lending offers attractive returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds, providing a lazy yet lucrative way to grow your money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of finance, P2P lending offers an accessible and passive income stream that can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's talk about outsourcing. Why waste valuable time on mundane activities when they may be delegated to someone else? By outsourcing the tedious tasks, you free up your time to concentrate on the things that truly important, such as honing your sleep game. So there you've got it, folks. The laziest way to accumulate wealth. Say farewell to the daily grind and hello to a lifestyle of luxury and pleasure. It's time to sit back, relax, and watch your money account grow while you do almost nothing. Who knew being lazy could be so profitable? Stay lazy and affluent. Until next time, keep chilling and cashing in. Thanks for watching, and click here to check out another video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.